Kumar Dhankar. Welcome all of you on my channel Knowledge Junction. Do like, share, and subscribe for latest videos. For today's video, for this tutorial on report writing in LaTeX. It's a scientific writing software. In this tutorial, we learn how to write a document. In particular, how to use report and article class. How to create sections, automate the numbering of sections, create table of content, and how to create this title page. I am creating this tutorial on a window. So even if you have a laptop or desktop less than 10,000 rupees, then also it can be used. It is useful in Ubuntu, Linux, TextWorks and LaTeX. TextWorks on Windows or Mac can use without TextWorks also. So other Linux systems are also okay with it. So prerequisite to learn the following tutorial that introduce LaTeX, which is already given, and the file report.txt used in this tutorial. I'm attached this file with my description, and knowledge of side by side method required to practice this tutorial. So I am coming directly to the .text file, which I already opened. So as you can see, you start with your command with slash, reverse slash. As I write reverse slash document class, and in the capital bracket I write the font size, that is 12 pt, and paper size, this is A4 paper, and in the bracket I write articles. Class is article class, and then I use package with the same slash use package. Here I give margin, horizontal and vertical margin this side. So H margin, that is horizontal margin 4.5 centimeter, vertical margin, that is also 4.5 centimeter, and I use the package geometry package in this, and then I start the document, that is slash begin document. And as now, if I start with slash begin document, so I have to end up this document by using this command slash end document. Now we are creating section wise slash section. So this is my section. Here this is the first section. So as you can see, this section is in the capital 1. Here I write something, text corresponding to this section goes here. Some preliminary sentence could go first before the subsection start. So this is the section, then I start with slash subsection, command with slash subsection, and here I write first subsection in first section. So here I write hello world, and then again subsection, first subsection. So this the section 1, and this is first subsection in 1.1, or here you can go inside it, that is 1.1.1 first subsection. So lower level text, some more text, it goes like that. So here as well as you can write your report, and you can add, similarly you can add. So you just write it, and then you go to this built-in view and just click on this. So as I already open this and already perform, so it will shown like first time when you are performing. So your command will appear in the right side of PDF file. You can see if something I write, something sometime is more good, right? So you can see if I run again it, so that will be added in this section, that will be added in this section. Yes, you can make it on zoom and easily can see every part of this. You can reduce even the horizontal size, horizontal and vertical size. So now I will give you how you can make changes. So yes, then in this tutorial we learned the following things: writing a document in LaTeX, automatically creating chapter and section titles, automatically numbering, or as you've seen already, the number comes automatically, table of content and title page creation, and creating appendix. So what you can do now, I will give you some assignment where you can make changes and just you see in your output how it can be changes. So A4 paper and letter, right? Repeat the tutorial with A4 size paper. As in US, letter paper is used instead of A4 paper. So use letter paper, one word, in place of A5 paper and repeat it. The same thing, but you repeat with letter paper. Do the result of any of the command changing because these subsections. Then font sizes. Find out how many different font are available in LaTeX. Use web search for this. Tried out a few font sizes. Report.toc is the external file. So delete this file, report.toc. Repeat the entire tutorial from scratch. Find out after command report.toc is created. Find out when the content of this file changes. How is this file useful for to pass compilation? Then number 4, location of the table of contents. Shift the table of content command down to before the document end. Where does the content page come when compiled? What would happen if this command is placed in the middle of the document? Where would you want to place this document in your report. Number 5th, chapter wise. So recall where we change the class from article to report in this tutorial. Suppose that we do not include the chapter command. What happened to the section number? If the command /chapter is included in article class, what happened? Appendix in a report. So include the appendix command in a report class. Include more chapters before and after appendix. So how are the chapter that appear after the appendix command numbered? Appendix in an article. So include the appendix command in an article class. Introduce some section after the command appendix. How are these sections numbered? Geometry package. Do a web search and find out different ways of using the geometry package. What happen will give different right and left side margin. Then classes. Do a web search and find out how many different classes are available. Download a few article and report style file and glance through them. How many institutes in India have their own thesis template? Write a report article to your institute's thesis template, as you can follow your university's thesis template. Thank you for watching with my channel and this tutorial. So being with me for the latest more scientific videos for this scientific software. Thank you and thank you.